Hello there, welcome to Trains at Putney Railway Station. And to kick things off, we see the departure of South Western Railway 450061 and 450049, working the 1534 to Uniform 44 service from Windsor and Eton Riverside to London Waterloo. Arriving into the station now is 450072 and 450063. Working the 1537 South Western Railway service from Weybridge to London Waterloo. And as 450072 and 450063 departing with a service to London Waterloo, we see another one arriving the station, 450015 and 450097, working the 1538 to Sierra 45 South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Weybridge. Next train out to the Putney station is 55754 and 55916, working the 1546 South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Putney. And here comes our train in the form of 450051 and 450106. Working the 1547 South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Windsor and Eton Riverside, going via Richmond. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, then please give a like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far, and we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever they may take us. We'll see you then, folks.